Hi, we meet again with me, Yenny. On this class, we will learn another dartless pattern. So, what's interesting with this pattern actually? With this pattern, we are not only able to create garment with knit fabric, we also able to create garment on woven. A bonus, not only for daily woven garment, but with this pattern, you will also able to create simple formal dress which you can wear for attending a party. Also, we will learn not only the basic pattern as our base, we will also learn how to measure types of fabric characters. We will also learn three dress styles, which is frill dress pattern, a couture high-low dress pattern, and one shoulder style dress pattern. And on each style, we will learn the types of fabric we can use both for daily and for formal occasion. And obviously, we will learn the step-by-step how to create these styles. On this course, I will also share you a little tips you can implement for your sewing efficiency. So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin the class. See you!